Hi guys, I'm trying to fix this poly TC8, also this poly G7500 has an issue of trying to connect the network, but it cannot connect now. I'm trying to prepare the software and the firmware for this one. I hope this will help you. I will tell you how to change the software version, upload it to the poly G7500 and poly TC8. Hope this will make a good just like you see now. The before this TC8, no, not opening, and trying to connect to the network. Now it's okay now. And also the G7500 has a problem with the network connection. So I hope this will make this poly good for them. Thank you.